Okay, Ellie. What's up, Ellie? Ellie. Hey, Ellie, what are you doing?
I'm trying to get a movie.
Trying to get a movie? Why?
Because
why?
I love Dino Classy and I got for that.
You did?
And Priscilla's in the way.
That's Priscilla. Oh my gosh.
She's in the way.
Really? Oh my goodness. That's amazing, Elle. Hey, can you tell me who's behind you? Whose dog is that?
Johnny?
That's Johnny. What's his name?
Johnny Waffles.
Johnny Waffles? Really?
Yeah.
Hey, real quick, before we watch this, can you do me a favor? Just real quick. Can you tell me a song? I just want to hear one song and then you can watch it.
Little Dino.
Okay, sing me Little Dino. Look at me and sing Little Dino.
So ready for the baby dino. Never get hurt, but if alligators come, turtles might get lost. Then she went already down to the pot and down to the cell. Then she went everywhere.
That's so funny, Ellie.
Now can I watch it?
Yep.